Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces water sign, and this reading is for the month of August. This is monthly reading and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see recent past Pisces. Two of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. I think you or your person could be in past at some crossroads, Two of Pentacles juggling, and one person is not expressing their feelings to you, but at last you decided to move towards them, or your person decided to come towards you. Lot of fire energy and earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sag. In past there is some indecision. I think it's you, but you finally made decision to go towards your person, I'm getting. So let's see your feelings towards your person for the month of August. Pisces, your feelings towards your person. Wow, the Lovers. You or your person could be Gemini. Five of Cups. Page of Cups. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Death. Now let's see your person feelings towards you. Postponement, stress, patience, morality, Queen of Swords. So your feelings towards them, you love your person more, definitely. So you are, for some there is separation. Five of Cups here and Four of Swords your person side. You feeling very sad without your person. Definitely you want to say apology to your person. Page of Cups, you want to communicate with your person. And Death, I think you are undergo some transformation, and after that you go to your person and you want to apologize for that what you did to your person in past, because you love your person more. You want this connection at any cost. Your person also thinking about you a lot. Four of Swords, sorry. But they are waiting for to come you towards them, because postponement is here. They're feeling Seven of Wands. They don't want to give up on this connection at any cost, but they're feeling very stressed at this point of time, because they are waiting to take a step towards them by you. And patience, yes, they are waiting patiently. Seven of Pentacles, I think it's your person invest on this connection more than you. Morality, Queen of Swords, they are very very clear about their decision. They want this connection, but you have to move towards them. They also love you. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. The Miser, Four of Pentacles. I think one person in this connection is not expressing their feelings. Two times Four of Pentacles is here. Ace of Wands. Wow. So I think your person is going to be express your feelings. Are you going to be express your feelings to your person? Definitely there is a new beginning. Ace of Wands. You both want this new beginning. So when you are going to express your feelings, your person is very very happy, because they are waiting for that. So there is a chance for Ace of Wands new beginning. So let's pull some more cards from universe. The Empress. I think it's your person, or you could be I think it's your person could stand by their power. And maturity. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. Yes, long-term commitment is coming. Playfulness, Page of Wands, communication. And your person may be your person may be very popular and good looking and handsome. Definitely long-term commitment is coming. I think some communication issues between both of you in past, because one person is not expressing, one person is expressing. That is the issue. But I think I am giving suggestion, you Pisces, you have to express your feelings to your person. Then this relationship is going to be next level, because they are waiting for the action to take towards them by you. So definitely long-term commitment and new beginnings are coming. Your person is stand by their power. They are waiting for you. So you have to take action towards them. So this is the reading for you, Spices. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.